Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing slash flip through, and I'm excited about this one. This is Colette Baron-Reid's The Crystal Spirits Oracle. 58 cards and guidebook, and the illustrations are by Jena DellaGrottaglia. I know she's done some other illustrations for decks and I just can't think for the life of me what they are, but I'm excited. So this retails for $29.99. It is published by Hay House. I got this on a weird sale, so I think I only paid like $8 for it. So I'm even more excited. But this is all about crystals. So since the beginning of time, ancient healers, medicine men and women, and shamans have highly valued crystals for a reason. Across continents and cultures, many legends about the healing powers of crystals have endured. Connecting with the crystals in this oracle deck is like communicating with beings of light, frequency, and energy with different personalities who have opinions, ideas, wisdom, and special gifts to offer us. Each stone comes bearing its own message, offering us the power to align with its consciousness to co-create a meaningful, abundant life of healing and evolution. All right, so excited. So I love Colette Baron-Reid's decks. She's been in this game for a long time, and I feel like her decks are very meaningful and very accurate and very just positive all around. So let's get into it. Can we just talk about how pretty the box is for a second? Like, I'm really enjoying it. It's nice quality and it's one of those magnetic flip up things. So let's dig in. Oh, universal consciousness and love is present everywhere. And then we have this cute little insert here of as expressions of the conscious universe. The crystals, like their creator, want only the best for you. Healing, wisdom, and the power of finding possibilities you didn't realize were there. And yay, we have a ribbon. All right, so wow. Okay, and that is what the inside of the box looks like. Yay! All right, put that aside. Let's go ahead and look through real fast this guidebook and see. Okay, so it has welcome and then how to work with it and then the cards with their meanings. Wow, we've got a lot here. Okay, so let me just see if there's anything that we might need to know on how to use this deck. Let's see. Sometimes she has a little, there's no specific message when the card is upside down, just a hug from the conscious universe and a nudge to take the message a little bit more seriously. All right, so it says an oracle can lead to your personal power, but it will never have power over you, for you have free will always. All right, this oracle won't answer yes or no questions clearly and definitively, so don't project your desire for a simplistic answer onto it. Listen to its message and ponder it thoughtfully. So instead of a question like, will this relationship work out for me? Ask, what do I need to know about this relationship right now? Okay, cool. They do not have specific upside down, protection, or reverse meanings. Awesome. Okay. Sorry, I just really wanted to see if there was anything specific that we needed to know, but it makes sense with all of that said. She has example readings in here as well if you need help with that. Then she does have some spreads in here. 1 card reading, 2 card reading, 3 card reading. We have a clarity card. Just another note about the cards that show up upside down. If you have any of my other decks, you know that I don't design all of them with reversal meanings, what I refer to as protection cards. Okay. Have a look at your resistance to the subject of the card. Okay, like we already said. Alrighty, let's get into the deck. Ooh, the back is beautiful. Hopefully I have enough light on this. Let's brighten it up a little bit. There we go. Okay, that is so pretty. I love this color so much. All right, it's definitely your average oracle deck size. And let's get into the cards here. So they are very nicely done here. There are some faces in there, so if that's something that kind of creeps you out, this might not be the deck for you. Like you can see a few faces. I think they all have faces. Yeah, I think they're all going to have faces. So if that's something that kind of creeps you out, it might not be a deck for you. The cards are decent. They're not too thin, but they're not super thick either. So be careful when shuffling, just in case you fold them, you might get a crease. They're not really glossy. They're not super matte, but they're not really glossy either. So they're really good coated. Really good coating, if I can talk. They are a different type of card for sure. So pretty. They are numbered. They all have their name. Nice. I'm curious to see how these will read. They feel good sliding out of your hand. And the colors are just so vibrant. They really are pretty. That's cool too. I'm really interested in how they're going to read. This is something completely different than what I currently own, which I'm excited about. I do have the crystal deck. I think that's what it's called. And it's more of just like the crystals and then their properties. So this should be interesting as an oracle deck. Yeah, they all have some faded faces in them. Some of them are interesting. That's pretty. Ooh, that's different. Coming up to the last two here. Ooh, that's neat. I've always wanted one of these, the watermelon tourmaline. All right, let's see how they shuffle here. Ooh. Well, they shuffle just fine if I can get it together. Yeah, they're flexible enough. I don't think you're gonna have a problem with them at all. They bounce back really nicely. Whoop! Oh goodness. While trying to test out their flexibility, just make them fall everywhere. All right, yeah, no, I like the feel of this a lot. They feel really good in your hands. They shuffle really nice right out of the box. Don't have an issue at all. However, that one looked marked. Where was it? I might flip through again with it. Yeah, there are some markings on the back that I've noticed, like if you can see that guy. But it's not terrible. It's on the back. There's one there. Yeah, there's a few little markings here and there that don't look like they should be there, but I'm not complaining. I don't know if it is a manufacturing thing or not, but yeah, there's a few different little marks. Again, I feel like little inconsistencies like that give the deck character, at least for me. But if it's something that you're worried about, I would check and see if anybody else has had any of these inconsistencies before you buy them, because again, it could just be the batch, or it could just be my particular one. As long as it's not an issue with the picture in the, the actual picture of the card on the front, I don't have an issue. Backs are backs of cards. But that's just me. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of the cards, and we'll just pull the top one off the deck here. And this is Mookaite Jasper. So let's see what it says, how we read them in the deck here in the guidebook. All right, the essential meaning is risk, adventure, new experiences, exploring unknown territory, and claiming personal power. The seemingly safe road is not the one to take right now, for your soul is on a path of healing and wants you to experience fulfillment and joy. All right, so it keeps on keeping on. Relationship message. So if we were reading for relationship, prosperity message, and crystal spirit meditation. That's very cool. All right. Well, this should be an interesting deck to play around with. I feel like it's pretty unique, at least to me. I don't own something like this. Colette Baron-Reid, she's one of the authors that really puts her heart and soul into her decks. I don't have any of her books, but I know she's written some books as well. So I've not had a problem with her decks specifically. I feel like they've always been very positive and uplifting, and they're meant for healing and helping. So I really feel like you can't go wrong with one of her specific decks. So if this is one that interests you, I will have all of the links down below where I know where you can purchase it. I'm not paid or sponsored for any of these videos. If that were ever the case, I would for sure let you know if someone sent me PR, but that has not been the case yet. So send me decks. No, but seriously though, if you feel like this is calling to you, I highly suggest you check out her other decks as well, because I do feel like she's such a positive voice in the community. However, this is kind of a unique deck, so it might not appeal to many of you. It might be good for beginners if you're learning your crystals. The guidebook seems pretty comprehensive, so it goes into depth a lot with the different crystals here. And it's nice that it kind of gives the crystal a little bit of a personality and give it a opinion or some knowledge. So that's kind of neat there too. I feel like they're great quality. I feel like if this is just something unique, so it's not going to be for everybody. However, if this does call to you, I think this might be a fun deck to check out. It definitely might be worth the $30 to you. If you can get it on a sale right now, like I did, by all means, like I would go for it. The artwork is beautiful. The concept is unique and gorgeous, and I don't have a problem with it. The quality is great. The packaging is great. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to try these out and use them. Do you own this specific deck? Are you putting it on your wish list? Have you seen it around? What do you think about it? Because I'm curious, what ways do you use this deck? I'm getting some ideas myself, but I would love to hear from you guys as well. So if this has helped you, if this excites you, let me know down in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out. And I'm so happy and thankful you guys keep coming back and watching these. It's so much fun to do, and I enjoy sharing and growing my collection alongside you. So you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I hope you are all staying safe happy and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.